Okay, science student book, types of teeth, right? Yes? We haven't read that, isn't it? Okay, so types of teeth, page 16. Highlighters ready?
Yes.
Okay. Now, we all have a set of teeth in our mouth, yes? Everybody knows that? Alright, so let's read what type of teeth we have in our mouth, okay? Things to learn. Please follow with me, okay? There are different types of teeth in our mouths. Each differently shaped teeth has a particular job to do. So, highlight differently shaped tooth, particular job. Okay, how many teeth? We have 4 different types of teeth in our mouth. Highlight 4 different. They have different names and jobs. Highlight different names and jobs. Incisors. So how many types of teeth we have in our mouth? 4 types. Okay. So the first one is incisors are used for cutting and snipping. Now the incisors is in blue color, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so no need to highlight. Highlight cutting and snipping. So the job of incisors is to cut and snip. Okay? Number 2 is canines. Canines are fangs or pointed teeth that grip and hold the food. Highlight grip and hold. Molars and premolars are for crushing, grinding and chewing our food. Now crushing and grinding is already in blue. You just highlight chewing our food so that we can swallow it easily. Now look at the picture of your teeth. Can you see the picture of the teeth in the mouth? Alright, now you must remember this. This is a picture of an adult teeth. Alright, set of adult teeth. When you are young like you have what we call as milk teeth. These teeth break, right? Your teeth are breaking, right? They're falling off, right? Yes, so these are called milk teeth. When you're a baby, the teeth come out slowly, but these are soft teeth or they are milk teeth. As you grow older, like now you're 7, 8, 9, 10, these teeth will fall off. Okay, and what you will get is the hard adult teeth which will last for your life. Alright, okay, for your life it will last. So this is a picture of adult teeth. When you are young, you don't have so many teeth. The total number of teeth an adult has is 32. Okay, but when you are young, your milk teeth is not 32. Milk teeth is about 24. Okay, but those fall off and then you grow new ones. Alright. Okay, so you can look at the shapes of all the teeth. Can you look at each teeth? How it is? Each tooth? Alright? Okay, so we'll come to this later. Now the bottom part. Teeth are our only cutlery. Knives were invented long ago. They were like our incisors and cut food. Forks are more recent. Our canines can be used for gripping our food like forks. Now, the front teeth, if you look at the picture, what is in the front? The red color. Can you look at the picture of the teeth? You have red color, then you have green color, then you have blue color, then you have orange color. Can you see that? Okay, so what are the red color teeth? Incisors. Now, when you have an apple, do you put it at the back of your mouth and cut it?
No.
Where do you put it? In the front. Because you need to cut. So you cut with your incisors. Then when you want to chew the apple, it goes to the back of your mouth where the molars and premolars are and it crushes. The molars and premolars crush and grind and chew the food so that you can swallow. If you cut a big chunk of apple and you swallow it, it will get stuck in your throat, right? So you put it at the back of your mouth and you chew on it. Right? You need to chew your food, isn't it? So that you can digest it and swallow it easily. And small pieces will get digested fast. Okay? So that's why you need to chew. Whatever food you eat, you need to chew it properly. Alright? Okay, next page. Things to do. Which job? Look at our teeth in the mirror. They all do different jobs when we eat. Describe each tooth you see. Bite into a biscuit. Which teeth do you use? Why are our incisors the best shape for biting and our premolars and molars for chewing? Think about the shape of each tooth. Now the shape of each tooth is there. Later on we will draw the different teeth in our book. Alright? Okay, other animals' teeth. Different animals have different types of teeth. Look at the pictures of other animals' teeth. Guess which teeth belong to which animal? Why do dogs have canines? Why do sheep have grinding teeth? Now, of course, if it's a meat-eating animal or a carnivore, it will have teeth which is sharp, which needs to cut. But an animal like a sheep that eats grass, it doesn't have to cut anything. It just has to chew the grass. Grass is like fiber, you know, it needs to be chewed and chewed and chewed. That's why you can see the sheep or the cow, the mouth is moving all the time because they're chewing. They need to chew on it, okay? So the teeth of the sheep and the teeth of the dog is different. You can look at the picture. Can you see the picture? Can you all see the picture? Yeah. So the teeth of the dog and the teeth of the sheep is different. Alright? So did you know vampire bats have fewer teeth than any other bat because they don't chew their food? Rodents' incisors never stop growing. This means they have to gnaw. Gnaw means like this. This is gnawing. Yeah, they gnaw on the food, okay, to grind it down. They have to keep scratching on it to grind it down. Rodent is a rat, okay, a kind of a rat. That's what a rodent is, okay. 400 years ago, some false teeth were made from wood. Now, false teeth. Now, like for example, Miss Shweta, okay. I'm quite old, alright. So if my teeth break and they fall now, or they get not even break and fall. Suppose if I eat a lot of sweets and if I have a lot of fizzy drinks, what will happen to my teeth? It will become black. It will have cavities. It will start paining, and if you get tooth pain, it's very painful. You know, you can't eat, you can't bite. And remember, the mouth is connected to your brain. So when you have tooth pain, your head starts to hurt. Your head will start hurting. You will be very painful. Okay. So it means you can't do anything. So what you need to do is go and remove the tooth. Now if I remove my tooth, if it gets black and it has cavity or whatever and I need to remove my tooth, will a new one grow? No, I'm too old. A new one is not going to grow. This is my permanent teeth. I'm already old. My baby teeth or my milk teeth have already dropped long when I was your age. It has dropped long time back. Now what I have is permanent teeth. So if I lose any of my teeth, I won't have a new one growing. So what I need to do is put a false teeth. Because suppose if my front teeth go, suppose if the front teeth go, if the back teeth go, never mind, nobody can see. But suppose if my front teeth go, when I smile, I will look so funny, right? I'll look like a cartoon, isn't it? Yes? Suppose if someone doesn't have two front teeth, will they look nice? No, they look funny, right? Older people, you all look okay because you all are children, you all are small. Even if you don't have teeth, you all look cute. But if Miss Shweta doesn't have two teeth in the front, I'm not going to look cute. I'm going to look funny. Okay? So I need to put false teeth. Also, if I don't have teeth, I cannot eat. I need teeth. So nowadays, the technology is wonderful now, you know, with modern times. Nowadays, they put new teeth that look exactly like your teeth. They function exactly like your teeth. They can cut and snip and whatever. But in olden days, years back, 400 years back, they didn't have this technology. So they made tooth out of what? Wood. They made teeth out of wood. Alright? So that's the thing it is. Okay? Now I'm going to quickly read the next page also. I'm going to try and finish this. Okay? Healthy teeth. Alright? Things to learn. Now, why do we need to keep our teeth healthy? Because you want to save your teeth, right? So you must brush regularly, you must floss regularly, okay? Alright, let me stop that video. The videos become too big. 1 minute. Let me stop it.